Hey guys, you're listening to Andreas Talks Art with your host, Andreas Kramer.
This is my media circuit, dude. I'm doing it.
Yeah, dude, you're on the circuit right now. I heard you you got an album coming out.
Yeah, I wouldn't call it out. I call it more an EP. I guess, I don't know, 6 tracks. It's kind of an EP.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, took way too long, as you know, and it's mediocre at best, and that's where we're at.
Yeah, dude. This has been how long has this been in the works for?
I mean, the tracks have probably been halfway done for 2 to 3 years, and then I've probably been talking about it for, I mean, it's got to be almost 2 years, maybe, right?
Yeah.
I'm losing track of time here, but
So what do you think, like, the mixing and mastering is like technically the hardest, or you think it's just harder because it's not as interesting as creating the music?
yeah, I think it's both. I mean, there is the fun of coming up with a mix that's unique to you,
Right.
but I also have a problem too, because there's all these rules, but then I kind of have it in my head where it's like, all right, well, but what about the shit they don't know? What about the shit they haven't explored? Like, maybe there's ways to mix it so it comes out in a way that nobody's ever heard it, nobody's ever done it. So I try not to like get too bogged down by like the rules of it all, you know what I mean? And I guess like technically you got to follow the rules of like bass frequencies and stuff. So like as you increase the volume, bass exponentially gets louder. So there are like a couple things you need to think about, but you know, with digital shit nowadays, man, anything should be possible. At least that's how I think of it.
Yeah.
I've heard crazy mixes, dude, where shit is fat, loud, and just like blasted, dude. So I know it's possible, and I just want my shit to be as loud and thick as possible. So sometimes the whole mix suffers, but I also don't. It's whatever, dude. It's just like I kind of just feel like trying to do something different in terms of mixing, because I feel like a lot of people get stuck in their own ways and they don't necessarily, you know, they don't explore new ground in that way.
Yeah. I mean, I guess all these rules were first discovered by people exploring shit in one way or another.
Yeah, exactly. So I kind of want to leave my shit open to discovery, where maybe I discover my own rules, you know?
Right. Shit. So when's this EP coming out, man?
July 1st, it's on the books.
Hell yeah.
Believe
July 1st.
Friday.
It's got a name, or what's up?
Self-titled, so it's just Tendrils EP.
Tendrils EP. No, it's cool. It's cool that you're actually like putting shit out there, because like, I mean, obviously, like, you've given me like all these old beats to use for my videos and shit, so I've known about them for forever. But it's cool that more people, or that people are like at least having the chance to get to see them or hear them and shit, because they've been hiding away.
I know. I think it's hilarious, dude, because it's like I always show it to people, and all the people who ever hear it in person are like, yeah, dude, this and that, and like, yeah, these are sick. And it's almost like weird, because it's like it's more exciting to have it secret. It's more exciting to have these select people know about it, and like, ooh, that's almost more fun. Like if everybody knew about it, to me that's kind of lame, dog. But it's like the homies that are close to me, like yeah, dude, this shit's sick. I'm like, that's kind of cool, you know? And it's like you know about it, but nobody else does. I want a select group of like people can only hear your music, dog. And it's like if you don't sign up in that time, dog, it dies. It's like nobody can hear it.
That'd be fucking cool if you had like a fucking like a self-destruct button on it, or like a timer or shit. Like it would just be like out for a little bit and then gone forever.
I don't know how you would stop against the pirating and shit, but the thing is, though, that would be cool, like IP access, like a select group get to hear it, and then that's it.
Fucking NFT that shit.
Holy shit, dude. I mean, I guess people are NFTing music and stuff, right?
I'm sure, honestly. At this point, they're doing anything they can make money off of.
Isn't that the truth, bro? Anybody selling anything that anybody will buy right now, dude.
Yeah.
Shit, yeah. What else is going on with you, dude?
Shit, a bunch of art projects, a bunch of crazy shit. I've been doing a lot of like, I have like these four skateboards that are in the works, and they're all fucking wild. This one has like this crazy alien head with like, I don't know. I've been mixing a lot of shit. Like I have these trippy like stencil cutouts that I've been spray painting on the background, and then
are they broken decks or are they like full completes?
They're broken decks. I'm working on a full complete. I'm making another shelf, but this one, it's got like the shoes glued to the top of it, and then it's gonna like come out and mount to the wall through the shoes.
Oh, what? Like, okay,
Yeah.
are you gonna like legs and then have it like
I don't know. Wait,
leg?
what?
You have it like legs and then into the wall. Like
That
a
would be fucking crazy. If I could find some mannequin or some shit.
something that put hair on it and make it like,
God.
dude, that would be so sick.
Just like fucking bloody ankles and shit.
Dude, honestly, I'm not even playing with you. I'll pay to do that because I got hella shoes that are just sitting in boxes, dude. If I had one of those, like skateboard upside down, and then, or no, I guess it would be right side up, and then the feet, the shoes, and then the ink, and like you can maybe make it in a way where you can. It is like the mannequin where you can like slip it into different shoes.
Oh, that would be cool.
Or change out the shoes, I guess.
Right. Like broken bones would be cool too. Some shit.
Bones would even be, dude. Well, you can run wild with this, bro. That's actually an idea for business too, bro. How many people? I don't know. There's probably hella people that would display shoes like that. I mean, I would put one right now in my shit. If it was like one that was a bloody ankle and the other one was like a bone or like some of the bone was sticking out, dude. What?
Yeah, dude. Fuck, I'm gonna have to go raid some thrift stores.
Yeah, dude, skaters would buy that, bro. There's definitely a hell of skaters that would buy that, bro.
Yeah, I mean, someone bought that fucking mirror wreath I made out of all those shoes.
For real?
And I was like, it's sick. It's so funny though, because someone just bought like 4 pairs of my fucking nasty ass shoes. Like, goddamn,
those shoes, huh?
Yeah.
I bet they don't even know, dude. They probably have no idea what went through to get what you had to go through to get those shoes like that, dude.
I mean, if they're a skater, they'll have some idea, but they'll never know.
So, honestly, though, you should, keep that in the back of your head because that's it. How much? My bad, it's the sugar. How much did the mirror sell for?
300.
Oh my god, dude, you're doing it, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to.
It's almost even cooler to see your homies do better than what you're doing. If that doesn't sound weird, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean that's why I've been hyped that you've been like putting out all these beats and shit, because I know I've been like telling you forever to put shit out, so it definitely gets me hyped to see you getting shit out and getting like, I mean, you put the YouTube channel out and you fucking blew up way faster than I did, and I've been working on that shit.
Dude, that's my one thing I have over you. You're actually making real motherfucking money though, dude. When it comes down to subscribers, don't be shit, dude. You're selling a fucking mirror for $300, dude.
Dude, yeah, I was surprised on that one, but I was hyped.
Yeah, dude. I mean, bro, I've told you since day one, dude. I always told you, bro. You got it. As an artist, you got it. You truly are. You're an artist, bro. Whatever you're touching, whatever you're doing, you're just one of those guys, bro. That's it. Some people have it, some people don't, bro. That's it.
And it's been a fucking journey, man.
Dude, it's been a fun journey, in my opinion.
Yeah.
I know there's probably been some times for you, but I think you've been slowly progressing, dude, ever since we talked about it. Sitting there at UMBC talking about shit. I think like once you got out of college, you've just had this steady increase of you're just slowly notching your way up. You know what I mean?
Hell yeah. I definitely feel that. I mean, college was a huge barrier.
I think just
it was cool, but yeah, once you're like out on your own and like kind of like, fuck, I have to like figure something out to do for the rest of my life.
Right.
It kind of just forces you to like work on shit, and I don't know, art's just always been something that's been super fun.
Yeah, dude. And I hope it stays that way. I hope the business aspect doesn't take away the fun. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's been the cool part about having these different places just to display art, because it's not like I'm like someone commissioned me to make this like skate mirror and I felt forced to. That was just something I made random as fuck, hung it up, and
Dude, you're
bought it.
I think also too I'm about to drop another Dead Beats
Oh shit.
playlist, because those have been so sick for fucking Instagram like skate clips. I'll just be using my beats and shit.
Yeah.
And sometimes those reels take off, dude.
Dude, the reels are fucking wild. It's been like the craziest thing for me, because like
Yeah.
they'll get a couple hundred here and there, and then there's one that'll get a couple thousand out of fucking nowhere.
I'm almost convinced it's all bots, dude. There's no way. There's like, I'm like, who the fuck is watching me skate like a retard? Like,
Dude,
like
yeah.
why are there thousands of people watching this? There's nothing going on.
That like last skate journey I first posted got like 4,000. I was like, what the hell? But
Dude,
I'll go in and like, what's up?
No, I was just gonna say the last one I got was 6,000.
Oh, shit.
Silly. Why?
Yeah. I'll go in and like look at some of the random people that check it out, and like,
yeah, right.
I'm sure there's bots and shit, but definitely they're like, not all of them are bots.
Yeah, I know, but it's like random people from India and shit. And you're like, dude,
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
go. Like, I almost like in my head, I imagine one dude with like 100 cell phones, and he's just constantly like pushing up like the reels and shit. You know what I mean? Just like getting numbers for people. I don't know.
Fucking following farms or whatever.
Following farms, yeah, probably shit. Like that's what I imagine. Like, it's so strange to me. Like, that's even 6,000 people. Like, why? Or is it like, does it count as a play if you just pass through it?
I'm sure they have like a time count. Like, you can't just swipe through it all quick, but even so, if it's getting a lot of like swipes through, like it's getting boosted up. And I feel like it's just because like they're scared that TikTok's going to take over and Instagram's not going to be a thing anymore.
100%. So they're trying to boost the fucking numbers so you keep using it. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, 100%.
They're fucking scared. Everything just boils down to fear.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, definitely. That's a big motivator, bro. But Instagram sucks anyways, man. Fuck them. They fucked up because Facebook sucks.
Dude. Yeah, because like I you know, like the people who founded Instagram, like they like dropped off once, like not right when Facebook bought it, but a little bit after, and like Mark Zuckerberg's tried to like pull all his bullshit. So now it's like, I don't know. I mean, it's been lame for a while, but it's super lame.
It's super lame, dude. It's super lame, dude. Yeah.
But I'm not gonna lie, the reels did make it a little more cool, just because like there's more interesting shit.
If there are really 6,000 people watching it, that's sick. If there are some legitimacy to the numbers, then it does kind of make it slightly exciting. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, it's fucking crazy, man.
I don't like it. I don't like the whole social media thing.
Nah. It's crazy, man, but I don't know. It is fucking weird.
It's so weird. Whatever, dude. Fuck that.
Thanks for listening. Share this with your friends if you liked it. And don't forget to be cool. Peace out.